Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will start by preparing Windows and the install media. Backup files, create a restore point, and download the Zorin ISO, make a bootable USB. Once done, open Disk Management and Shrink C to free 40 to 100 GB. This will house your Zorin install. Make sure the target is unallocated space. Do not format it. Also disable BitLocker and fast startup in Windows so the installer can access the disk reliably. Now reboot from the USB to begin the installer. You boot the USB in UEFI mode and choose Install Zorin. Select something else to control partitions. Create an ext4 root at least 30 GB, optionally a separate /home, and use a swap file or small swap partition. Critically, set the bootloader target to the existing EFI system partition, usually /dev/SDA EFI, so Grub can manage both systems. Once partitions are set, install. The installer copies files and configures Grub. Wait for complete. You finish by rebooting and testing both entries in Grub. If the machine boots Windows directly, enter BIOS and set the Linux EFI entry first, or use the firmware boot menu. If Windows does not appear in Grub, boot Zorin Live, install and run boot repair, or in your installed Zorin run sudo update Grub. This rescans EFI and adds the Windows loader. Finally, re-enable BitLocker only after confirming both systems boot reliably. Keep recovery keys safe, and keep your backups in case you need to restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.